Hello everyone, Susan. I thought I'd get on here and introduce myself. I know you guys don't get to see my face very often, so I was going to let you guys see my face. Normally you're watching me craft, so yeah, like and subscribe to my channel. I love questions. If you guys have any questions on how I do anything, please don't hesitate to leave it in the comments. Okay, I'm going to show you a few things that I use, a few of my favorite things as far as working with resin. Resin is one of my favorite mediums. I do a lot of different crafting. I do jewelry, and I wire wrap, and just do all kinds of different things. Draw, paint, all kinds of different things. But I'm going to show you what I work with whenever it comes to resin. So I'm going to flip you around. Don't let me get you sick. So hang on. Hopefully you don't get sick on me. Okay. All right. So here is my crafting area. Let me get this out of the way. My tripod. So this is my crafting area. Now, I am very proud of the setup that I have. I love my setup, guys. Love, 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 love. Hold on. Let me get this out of the way before I knock things over. Okay. All right. So, as you can see, this right here is my hot water bath. It is right now warming up resin for me. I also have one of these resin heaters, which is working on a different bottle of resin. I have different bottles for different types of resin. So my favorite resins are counterculture DIY, hard casting resin, counterculture fast set resin, and then Puto resin is one of my faves also. I tend to stick with those three types of resins depending on what type of project I am going to be working on. So here a while back I went to a remodel, a Dollar General remodel, and I got lucky enough to come across one of their makeup displays that they were throwing out, still in the package. And this is the actual display that I scored. I got both sides of it. I should say my husband scored because he is the one who went and dug it out for me. Yes, he dumpster dived for me. And it took a lot to get him to do that. Okay, so I want to show this to you because it is so cool. I'm in my basement, by the way, and I have taken over the family pool table. Eventually I will give it back to him. So these things are great because they are adjustable. You can take out these sliders right here and adjust the size of your openings. So I was able to adjust them to meet my needs on all of my different colorings, my alcohol inks, my makeup powders, just everything. So, and as you see, when you pull one out, the next one comes forward, which makes it really convenient to get to the one in the back. So I got this one with the 2 shelves. These shelves come out. They are also adjustable. You can see up here that I have, you know, these mica powders up here. I haven't really got it like totally 100% stable yet, but it works for me. And again, I mean, you have those adjustable and those self-serve mechanisms in the whole thing. So I really, really lucked out when I found those guys. I just got these crates from the dollar store, and then over here on this one, it came with the pegs up here to be able to hang stuff, and 2 shelves, and then it came with this lipstick or eyeliner, lip liner or eyeliner holder. So that comes in handy. You can see I got my stir sticks in there. And then above on this one, it came with 3 shelves. And most of these shelves are the same way. I hope I'm not making you guys dizzy. You know, you pull one out and the next one comes forward. And then you just push them back. Just like that. It is awesome. And I hope I run into some more. I don't know that I will, but it would be awesome if I could. Another thing that I like and that I use on a regular basis is I have one of these leveling tables. Great buy, guys. It was a great buy. I would not hesitate to tell you that this is pretty much a slam dunk. And then I got my turntable on top of that, my Lazy Susan. This is my Lazy Susan. Now, I tip. What I use to cover this up is these bowl covers that you can get from the dollar store or Dollar General, because you can just open them up and slide them right over the Lazy Susan, and when they get messy, you just take it off and throw it away. Perfect. I also have my mixer up here, which is still going from mixing earlier. I love the mixer. It definitely, to me, frees up some time. While it's mixing, I can get things ready to get my pour going. I just put my all of my glitters, which I have way more than that. That's just what I try to keep in front of me. This is another thing that I really like, is this glitter ensemble, because there's just so many different things in here to play with. So I love it because, I mean, you got stars, you got hearts, you got lips, you got just anything, really. So many different things. So I love that because I love playing with those things. Let's see. Yeah, must have is your alcohol, so you can spritz your after you pour, you can spritz your resin in order to get rid of bubbles. So I use that a lot. I love my counterculture DIY armor art. This is how I make my swirlies and my pieces, and this stuff is phenomenal. Love it. I don't do a whole lot of ocean themes. However, I am going to try one of my tables, turn a table into an ocean theme. I hope it goes well. We will see. And then this is how I videotape my videos. I have my camera on a light bar, whatever you call that. I don't know what you want, an arm. And that's how I videotape my videos. Makes it very nice because you can move, obviously, anywhere you want to go. Perfect for what we do. And then I have myself an actual light that is also on one of these. So again, perfect setup. Alright guys, I just thought you might be interested in seeing how my setup is. Send me some pictures of your setup. I would love to see it. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe the channel and come back and see me often. Love yous. Bye.